like they don't know anything. Like, how do you even like get, because you mentioned you have 50 what do you call it, properties like that you manage, or you partially own them? Like, how is this structured?
Yeah, so I'll try to simplify it. So 50 plus investments, meaning that my company, we have invested in 50 or so Airbnbs. Now, some of those, or a majority of those Airbnbs, were invested in and kept into our inventory in one shape, form, or fashion. Some of the others were strictly from a consultation standpoint, where we have brought in investors and taken them through an end-to-end process. And then some of those investments were strictly turnkey efforts, which is something else unique that we do. And taking an Airbnb, standing it up from start to finish, and then we will provide it out to investors, or offer it out to investors as sort of a turnkey effort. Same conceptually that happens in real estate. We just do it on the Airbnb side.